A very good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Sarika Makol, Associate Professor, Sage Group of Institutions. Today, I'll talk about how to prepare agenda and minutes of meeting. And this video is especially for BBA students. And this topic is from the subject Business Communication. So let us start with the topic, that is how to prepare agenda and minutes of meeting. As you all know that after doing your management course, you might be able to go to the corporate world and understand that what is meeting, and you are supposed to attend these kind of meetings on the regular basis. So first of all, we are going to understand the meaning of meeting. A meeting is a formal or informal gathering of two or more people to discuss specific issues, share ideas, and arrive at decisions or conclusions. It can be conducted at various levels of an organization depending on the nature of work and authority. As we all know that in the organization, we normally follow three levels of our management, that is top level, middle level, and lower level. So basically, it can be defined as a planned gathering of individuals to discuss matters of common interest and to take decisions through mutual discussion. So basically, it's a platform where everybody is allowed to give their suggestions, and we can discuss on certain issues. Suggestions are welcome, and we have the choices of one discussion, and on the basis of that, we can take a correct decision, or rather, I could say a very meaningful decision through mutual discussion. Now, the next thing which we discuss in this is what is agenda? Before this slide, earlier slide was talking about meaning of meetings. Now, meetings are meaningless without agenda. So first of all, for doing any formal or informal meeting, we have to prepare agenda. Now, what is agenda? An agenda is a formal list of items or topics that are to be discussed in a meeting. It is prepared in advance and circulated among participants to inform them about the purpose and structure of the meeting. So basically, before a meeting, we'll prepare the agenda or the points which are need to be discussed in the particular meeting so that we can invite the people, those who are having the common interest in that agenda points. So the definition would be, it may be defined as a written outline of matters to be taken up for discussion and decision in a meeting, which are arranged in a logical manner. There is a proper sequence of that agenda items, that what is going to be discussed first and what is going to be discussed at the last. Now, what is the main purpose of the agenda? Why we prepare agenda before meetings? It provides clarity about the objectives of the meeting. The participants, those who are coming for the meeting, they can prepare themselves on the following points in advance so that they can have the discussion with the proofs and with the documentation. It ensures systematic discussion, saves time by avoiding irrelevant issues because we have the points in front of us. So we can surely save our time by discussing those only points. These are the basically the sequence of so this is the main objectives of this minutes. First is pre-planned document. An agenda is prepared before the meeting and shared with members beforehand. It's a logical sequence. Items are arranged in a proper order, usually from routine matters to important discussions. It is very much clear because the words are not being used, which create confusion. It has a formal structure, especially in official and statutory meetings we use. It gives usually prepared by the secretary or the convener of the meeting, which is being approved by the chairperson first. Only then it would be discussed in the meeting. Now, this is the steps of meetings or the agenda which we need to prepare. The first point which should be mentioned in the agenda would be confirmation of previous meeting minutes. First of all, we'll discuss the matters which we raised in the previous minutes and action taking report, that what actions we have actually taken from the previous minutes. Then new proposals or discussions being discussed in the current going meeting. Then decisions to be taken will be noticed or entered into that minutes. Any other matter with permission of the chair, and always the date of next meeting will be mentioned in the agenda. So these are the various points which we considered in the agenda. This is the format of the agenda. First of all, we'll write the name of the organization, then title, agenda, then type of meeting, that what kind of a meeting it is, means for which department we are doing the meeting or which committee we are doing the meeting. Like for example, CR meeting, department meeting, then website meeting, whatever the meeting you are going to attend. So you will write the type of meeting, then what is the date, time and venue, then list of agenda items in sequence, which we have discussed in the earlier slide, that it will follow the routine matters to the important matters, or we can do the opposite also. We can discuss the important points first and then the routine matters, then the signatures of the members attending that meeting, and then name and designation of the secretary and the convener also, who is chairing that very particular meeting. So this is the format. I hope the format is clear. I am just showing you the sample of the agenda. In this way, you can make the agenda. See, these are all the points which we have discussed in the previous slides. There is date, time, venue, then agenda. The type of the meeting is departmental meeting. These are the agenda points, then signature. So this is how you can make the agenda of your organization. Now comes the minutes of meeting, which is again a very important part while we are conducting the meetings. What are this? Minutes of meeting are the official written record of what was discussed, decided, and resolved during a meeting. Means that whatever we have prepared in the list of agendas, the points which we discussed, we record all the points, decisions which we have taken in that very meeting should also be recorded in that points. So that recorded record or proceedings is known as minutes of meeting. So here is the definition. Minutes can be defined as a precise and accurate record of the proceedings and decisions of a meeting written in a formal manner. It is purely formal. Whatever we have discussed, we have to write in that very particular minutes as a record, which can be seen by the other members, those might be absent on that very particular day. So this is the purpose. Record decisions and resolutions, act as a legal and official document because we can refer it for the future purpose. It provides reference for future actions. It informs absent members. Those who are absent on that day, they can also see that what are the discussions being done and the decisions being taken on the agenda points in which they were absent. Now, these are the various features of minutes: accuracy, clarity, impersonal tone, chronological order, and formal language. Accuracy: minutes must correctly reflect the decisions taken during the meeting. It should be clear, simple, and concise, means to the point. No impersonal tone will be used in that very particular minutes while writing. It should be in chronological order, means it should be recorded in the same order as the agenda is giving. The language which you use in writing the minutes should be formal, it should be professional, it should be unbiased. Now, this is the format of the minutes. First of all, you have to write the name of the organization, type of meeting, date, time, and venue, names of members present as well as absent, confirmation of previous minutes, details of discussions and resolutions as per the agenda points. Then the decisions taken should also be mentioned in that, and time of adjournment and signature of the chairperson. So this all includes your minutes. So this is the format of the minutes. See, this is the same. Now this is the sample. Departmental meeting was held on so and so date in the conference hall, members present, members absent, and these are the proceedings which we have discussed. So likewise, you can make the minutes. So this is the sample of the minutes in front of you. I hope this is clear to everybody. That's all for my presentation today. I hope you have been able to clear about what is minutes and what are the agenda and meetings purpose. So thank you so much. Thank you.